that was like,
Now repeating spoken. Okay, so hello ma'am, Hare Krishna, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also doing great. So yeah,
That's
we are
great.
meeting very first time, ma'am. So could you please introduce
Exactly.
yourself?
Yeah, sure. So my name is Shweta and I am from Maharashtra, a small town named as Avita in Sangli district, and I'm a homemaker. Even I used to create a videos like conversational videos more than a year ago, but I have due to some family issues, I just have to stop it. But now everything is in a line, so I thought of again restarting it, and you this is the first conversation after a long break. So yeah, this is
That is
my
so great. Thank you so much for connecting me. And I'm feeling so happy. Okay.
pleasure.
So my name is Radha. I come from Uttar Pradesh and have a bachelor
Yes.
degree in commerce. And right now I'm doing masters in economics. And if I talk about my hobbies, I love to listen to music and even I love to cook food. And yes, I
Mhm.
start my YouTube journey in mid 2025. And from there, I'm learning, enjoying, and yes, I'm very satisfied with my journey. So, yeah.
Oh, that's cool. That's really nice. So, so how's your YouTube journey going on? It's been like you have just started your journey. So how is it so far?
All in all, everything is going smoothly, no complaints at all. Because I started my journey 2025, and first I connected with my English Yari tutors, and then I shifted towards YouTubers. So from there, I get rid of my fear, and to be honest,
Mhm.
I overcome my 80% fear through connecting with my
Okay.
co-learners, with my YouTubers, because from there I'm learning something new, I'm learning some life experience, and
Mm-hmm.
yes, I learn a lot, and sometimes I make a lot of mistake also. But yes, it is a part and
That's
parcel of
good.
our English conversation. It's a part and parcel of our life. So
Of course.
yes, I'm improving. All in all, I'm improving.
That's really nice. That's really nice. So, can you just tell me that how did you started? I mean, English is a language that very rare people think of,
Hmm.
opting that language because
Hmm.
most of the people have fear to even start learning this language or speaking in a public. So, what
Yes.
what made you that you know uh, encouraged you or inspired you to start learning this language? Can just tell me
Uh,
about something that
Okay.
about it.
It is an unprompt plan. It is a unplanned. I can say an unprompt plan. And I think I started my YouTube channel like I was sitting with my sister, and I feel I should work on my communication skills because whenever you go
Okay.
outside, you feel we should speak English with strangers. With like whenever I visit Taj Mahal also, so I feel I should speak in English with foreigners. And to be honest, in person
Mm-hmm.
communication is different to virtual communication. We can connect easily
Yeah.
in virtual communication, but in person is different. You feel blank. That time you feel blank. What should I speak?
Mm-hmm.
You doubt yourself whether I am speaking right or whether I'm speaking wrong. People judge me on the basis of that. So there's a lot of thought, and it is a real thing. Because recently
Mm-hmm.
I share my story. I visited a cafe, and that time I tried to speak English. So before speaking, I
Okay.
read. I upload. I just click, like I just write that statement in ChatGPT, and it is right statement or not.
Okay.
So I'm feeling so doubt.
Okay.
My God, it is right statement
uh,
or wrong. So that is why I feel it is very important for, like, it is a global language, we know, and it's open floodgates, definitely a lot of
mm-hmm.
opportunity, whether you are going in private field, whether you are going in government field. And in my college also, my professors, my teachers, all are speaking in English. So we have to connect
Mm-hmm.
we have to connect with English also. So that is why I feel it
Mm-hmm.
is very important, and we have to work. And
Yeah.
you are working, it is beneficial for future also. That is why I started my
Yep.
communication skills.
That's really nice to hear. So wow, that was nice actually. How did you started your English journey. So it's good to know about it. Uh, yeah. So what else would you like to talk on? Any particular topic would you like to talk on, or
Yes.
any questions you have for me?
I always choose different kind of topic, and my viewers like that. And so today's topic is why the number of divorces in India is increasing.
Oh my God. Okay.
So
That's
what do you
the
think,
like
ma'am?
very
Share your opinion.
yeah. Okay, so why the divorces are happening in India? A number
Yes.
of divorces are
Increasing.
increasing. Okay. So I think the main reason is understanding between the couples. So because of the people are not understanding each other properly, what the partner actually wants, maybe the guy must be thinking that maybe an ego problem is coming in between the
Definitely.
couples. So these are few problems which they are not working on it. If the couple do work on ego problem, and if they understand each other, then I think that the rate of divorce will be somewhere less. So I think that this is the main problem. And what about you? What do you think about, like, I know you're
Um,
not experienced in, this,
but
but still.
yes, I I read the newses and editorials, so I know the why the number of divorce is increasing day by day. So I feel like in recent years, the number of divorces in India has increased due to several reasons, maybe emotional and economic reason. And one of the main cause I feel lack of communication.
Hmm.
Lack of
Yep,
communication
that's true.
understanding
That's true. Yeah.
between couples. Because, yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that is 100% true. Communication is actually very important in a couple. So
Yes.
that's
And
absolutely right.
in today's fast and hustle bustle life, many people find it difficult to balance their professional and personal life also. Because there are so many women
That's.
who are working and they're not able to handle their
Hmm.
relationship, and which often creates, I think,
Hmm.
emotional distance in relationship. So I think this is
Hmm.
one of the main problem. And second thing is financial pressure. I think it is a
Hmm.
main issue because
Yeah,
financial pressure is one of the, I think, one of the most important, because
yeah.
unrealistic expectations, ego clashes, and
Hmm.
interference from family member also lead,
Yep.
I think, more problem in a relationship.
Yes.
So
Yes.
yeah, I can say that.
Yeah, the word which you said, that family interference in a couple, that is also one of the biggest issue.
Hmm.
Like in-laws will be like, they have another expectations, their expectations would be high. Their expectations would be the expectation which they had given to their in-laws, and all the same thing they want in this generation also. But even I think that people have to change with the time. They have to change with the time. So this is also one of the reason for the divorce, I feel. Yeah,
Definitely, because we are in new generation, modern
exactly.
individuals. We are modern,
Exactly.
and individuals are becoming more independent. So they are aware of their self worth, and they are less willing to stay in toxic or unhealthy relationship. So we know
Hmm.
our rights, we know our like everything, because we are educated also, and we know our rules and regulations. So we are more
Yeah.
aware these days. That is why
Yes,
like
yes.
there's a lot of divorce increase day by day. But what do you think? Like communication is one of the reason.
Of course, communication is the biggest reason. One not, I think this is the biggest reason, because if whatever you have in your mind, in your heart, you just have to express in front of your partner. If you express everything to your partner, it will be easy for your partner also to understand what you are going through, or what you are actually feeling. So both the couple have when a couple, both people should express each other. When they will express each other through communication, it will be very easy for them to lead their future in a happy way. So yeah, that's That's
Safety.
absolutely right.
So, how to reduce divorce cases? What is the like? What is your suggestion on that?
I feel that the couples should talk. Now the mobile phone is the biggest one of the problem, which I think that creating problems in couples. When
Hmm.
they enter their home, they just be with their mobile phone. So I feel that one thing they can do, that whenever they enter the home, they have to just switch off or keep silent phone and keep in some place. All the family members should keep mobile phone in one place, so that they can have a communication with each other in the family members. So I think this is one of the thing which people can, do, which can help them to, reduce this problem. So
Yes,
yeah,
agree.
I think that this is a
Totally
good
agree with
idea.
you. Because couples should
Mm.
focus on healthy communication, and I
Yeah.
think emotional support and mutual respect. Because and sometimes
Yep.
counseling before problem becomes serious. We should do counseling also because
Yeah,
counseling
even that
very
is
helpful
also
sometimes. So this is my opinion. Mutual respect in
counseling. Yeah.
there, I think.
Hmm. So, but I'm curious to ask you that why did you got this question? Because you have not even entered in that space. But how did you got this question to, to talk on? Just curious to ask you, nothing
Okay,
else.
so
Yeah.
whenever I connect with someone, so I choose different kinds of topics.
Okay. Mhm. So
Okay,
it's just a random one.
it's a
Okay.
random one, and I collect so many
Okay.
topics on daily basis. Today I have to talk this topic. Today I have to just talk this topic. So that is
Okay.
why, because we are aware, we become aware also.
Uh-huh.
If we are talking different
Yeah.
different kinds of topic, we become aware, and we know how to talk. And when we face in
Hmm.
future this topic, so that is why I choose some different kinds of topics, because I
That's
feel
nice.
in these days YouTubers are talking only English, like how to you are, like how to learn English, what is your weakness. So I'm not like this is boring conversation for me, to be honest. So I prefer to choose different topic.
That's nice. Even when I used to, record, I actually never understand what to ask the, guest. What is the
Yes,
question? What
yes,
about different topics, that even I used to do that. But
yes.
later on, I feel that okay, this is also one of the good thing to, audience might like.
Yes,
Uh, yeah. I think, is there a network issue? I guess, right?
yes. I think network
Yeah.
issue maybe
So
sometime.
maybe.
In between you start,
Yeah, yeah, it is
then
happening.
sometime, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Any questions regarding anything? Just go ahead.
Yes.
Because there's a small topic. I ask
Uh,
a question, but it's up to you. You have to ask any questions. Go ahead.
okay, sure, sure, sure. So, what are the things which you? So I'll just go now. We had some topic. We had spoken on some topic. Let's ask. Let's shift to some English topics. Like, what are the things which you have been practicing to get confidence in your English? So, what are the things you have been practicing till now to get that
Uh,
confidence?
okay. In these days, I am focusing on listening and
Hmm.
speaking. Like speaking is on
Okay.
daily basis. I connect thrice in a week with my co-learners, and because speaking gives me a different kind of confidence and clarity. And
Okay. Hmm.
the second thing is listening. Whenever I'm in my kitchen and in my like college, like I'm ideal, especially I'm ideal, I'm sitting ideal, so I start listening. Sometimes I listen passive, sometimes I start passive listening, sometimes I start active listening. It is up to me. And if I learn some new sentences, I write in a notebook. And
Okay.
vocabulary also. I'm learning vocabulary in
Mhm.
idioms and try to implement in my conversation. Because when you
Okay.
implement in your conversation, you remember this idiom and vocabulary forever time.
Mhm.
So these
Yeah, yeah,
things,
that's true.
listening, speaking, and implement these vocabulary and idiom in my conversation. So these things very helpful for me. So I'm doing in these days. I'm more
Oh.
active. I guess that I'm more active in YouTube in these days if I compare my
Mhm.
last 2 months.
Okay. Uh-huh. So yeah, that as you told about new idioms. So how do you take like idioms if you want to start for example one idiom. So
Hmm.
do you choose one idiom for a week? Like if I use this idiom for a week, I will use this idiom in my conversation, daily conversation, or it will be like two idioms, three idioms. How you will do this?
And
Like
generally,
practice this.
I generally learn idioms through category. How I categorize. For example, I choose apple. So I learn apple
Mm-hmm.
category idioms like apple pie order, apple of discord, apple of eye. So these kind of idioms I learn. And implement is not, it is not necessary I use on regular basis. If I remember these
Mm-hmm.
idioms in my conversation, that time I implement. So
Okay.
I
Mm-hmm.
learn category wise. And same like
Mm.
vocabulary.
This is a good point that you have just told that, for example, you just take for Apple. So all the idioms on based on Apple, you just use that, first learn that, and then that you can use in your daily conversation. This is a really good one way to learn it because
Mm,
I am very bad with idioms. I try, but I can't get that in my conversation. So
mhm.
yeah, I'm working on it. This time, this way, I will definitely try in my conversation
Yes.
learning.
I love idioms so much. On regular basis, I learn some idioms, regular basis.
Oh,
So,
that's nice.
yeah.
Because my in my English, I just have a very short form of vocabulary. I just use that and I just play with that words itself because I'm happy with my comfort zone. So, but
But
no,
the
I
way
have to
you're
work on it.
speaking, the way you're speaking is so clear and so simple. That is so good. Because sometimes simple English is
Like,
very effective. I feel that. I try to be use some
mhm,
simple sentences because everyone can understand. Because our
mhm,
audience is like beginner also, intermediate also. So if they watch, they can easily understand. So I try to use some simple sentences also in in my
yeah.
conversation. So I prefer simple English is
Mhm.
the best English.
That's true. That's so true. But still, but when you go with when to be honest, why idiom are very important to know us because the person who you are talking to, if he use the idiom, we will be like confused. What does it mean? And it's very awkward to even ask the person, what
Yes,
does that mean? So it's very important even to know the idioms. So yeah, I feel
yes,
that.
yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
Okay. Any other questions would you like to, or shall we just wrap up the session
Yeah,
for
we
today?
should wrap up the session because I don't have any question. And if you have,
Yeah.
just go ahead. Otherwise, we should wrap up the session.
No, today is my first session after so long time. So even I am very nervous what to ask and what to,
No,
but
don't be
it was a
nervous.
good
Need to ask any question.
one. Now,
But
I think it's a
feel,
lot of questions I've
I
asked.
don't feel
Mhm.
it is your first conversation after a long time because you are so comfortable and your way of speaking is so smoothly. So everything is like smoothly. I can say that.
Uh-huh. Thank you
So,
so
no
much for
problem.
that. But yeah,
And there's
I
one more thing
guess,
I wanna share with you. Like
yep, sure.
if you want to connect regularly, so I joined one WhatsApp group. It is a free group. In that group, all are
Okay.
YouTubers. Okay. So if
Okay,
you
that's
want to join
cool.
that group, I'll share your number with my admin. So let me know.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Please, I would like to because I want to connect with more people and I want to have this,
Sure.
continue this journey. So
Sure.
yeah, so I would like.
So I'll share your number with my co-learners, with my admin.
Oh,
So I think
yeah, yeah,
tomorrow,
sure.
yeah, over tomorrow to edit. So we
Yeah,
can
yeah,
do
sure,
that.
sure.
Okay,
Yeah,
so thank
thank
you
you
so
so
much, ma'am,
much.
for connecting me.
It was really nice talking to you and looking forward to have more sessions with you.
Definitely, sure, sure.
Yeah.
So, okay,
Yeah,
bye
okay,
bye.
then have
Hare
a good
Krishna.
day ahead. Bye bye. Take care.